Hello everybody, in this video I will show you how to calculate lot size for Bitcoin USD in MetaTrader 5. For this I will use Max Power Risk Management application and it's very easy to use it. So first let's set up the stop loss, okay, take profit, and here will be entry price. Okay, so as you can see, it's a trade with risk reward 1.6263. We have a variation because price is moving. If I will use a limit order, the risk reward will be the same, but if I will use a market order, we will have here a variation, a small variation, because as you can see the price is moving up and down. Okay, so let's say that I want to risk 2% from my account. In this case, I will put here 2% from my account. If I want to risk 0.5% from my account, I will put here 0.5% from my account. And as you can see, for this order, if I want to open a order of 0.5% from my account, the lot size for this order will be 0.41. Okay, let's open the order. Okay, so as you can see in this moment I have a position open and the risk for this position is 0.5% from my account, and profit for this order is 0.8%. So as you can see, it's very easy to calculate lot size using Max Power Risk Management application in MetaTrader 5. Thank you and have a nice day.